Hi guys. Ayun yung mga manok ko. Ayun yung likod namin guys. Oh. Ayan oh. No go. Ayan. Ipakain ko sa kanila guys yung pumpkin. Ayan oh. Ayan sila guys. Oh, let's go. You go inside. Ayan sila guys oh. Si Sophie na sa loob. Okay, let's go. Mom will give you pumpkin. Alright, go inside. Come on. Go. Ayan, tinanggal ko na yung mga sunflowers dito guys. Yung mga iba, kinain na ng mga chicken. Come on girls. Here, come on. Pasok ko na sila sa loob. Oh, go. Go inside. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on girls. Go inside. Ayan. Ayan na sila guys. Go inside. Ayun. Tok, 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 tok. Sige. Ayan. Medyo matigas. Yeah. Tok, 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 tok. Ayan. Ilagay namin to guys, straw. Ayan. Para medyo mainitan din sila dito. Kasi mag-winter na dito. Tapos tinabo na namin yun no. Ang plastic. Tapos pag spring, tanggalin na lang namin yan. Ayan. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ayan sila guys oh. Alright, go eat. Alright. Here. Tok, 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 tok. No, you don't go out. Stay over here. Here guys, here. Medyo matigas kaya hindi nila nakakain. Here, here. Tok, 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 tok. Here. Yeah. Good night girls. Iwan ko na sila guys. 5:30 na dito eh. So yan. 2, 4, 6, 8. Good night, girls. Tomorrow again, alright?